So hello and welcome to my channel, and today is going to be a ginormous home bargains haul. I've been a couple of times, so we've got a lot to get through. For those who have been here a while, what are you thinking to the lighting? I've had some new bulbs put in my sort of, where I have my, what do you call it, like beauty area or whatever, and that's what I filmed from. And we've had the bulbs change from sort of a yellowy to a white, so I'm hoping the colour's a bit better. Anyway, enough of that waffling. Let's get into the haul. I feel really out of practice. Feel like I've not done film one for ages. So where can we start? I've got tons. So I am going glamping. I'm finally getting to see my parents and my brother since February, so 6 months now. Awful. So we're going glamping for a night, so quite a few bits I've got here for that. Right, so let's start with these 3 items here. I hadn't got anything in the way of sort of a bed or bedding. I didn't really want to take a quilt. I want to do the sort of proper camping thing. So we're going to Billing Aquadrome, and I'm going to be staying in a pod. Got my own because I'm not sort of in the bubble with my parents. I've got my own pod for me to sleep in. Might get a bit lonely. I think my brother might be sleeping in his tent, and my mum's got a pod as well. So I need to make it as comfortable as possible. So I've bought myself a sleeping bag. Couldn't believe it. They had last one in pink. Problem at the minute is we're just going into the autumn, so a lot of the camping gear has gone. So I was lucky to get in and just grab a last little bit. So this is a pink sleeping bag for £6.99. I shall pop in a picture of me in it. So yeah, just thought I'd try it out for the night, and these are the other 2 bits that I bought. Namely a blow up pillow. Oh, with a pillowcase. That's my own pillowcase. I'm taking that to go on it. I had these in a couple of colours, blue and green. It's only 99p. So that's my pillow. And then I've got a single blow-up bed. They had singles and doubles. Singles were only £6.99, and I was able to blow it up myself. I didn't need a pump. But I thought I'd better have a go, sort of a test run, to make sure that it's got no holes and that it's comfortable enough. So I did actually sleep in that I slept in it the whole night actually. I slept till about 7 o'clock in the morning. Woke up a couple of times and sort of moved around a bit, and I hadn't quite blown it up enough, so sort of when you moved you hit the floor, it's like hard. But yeah, so absolutely chuffed with that. For the price, incredible. So I've got a blow up bed, a sleeping bag, a blow up pillow, £14.97. Absolutely incredible. Okay, onto some more goodies. Saw this. Oh, look at it. I'm not sure if it will pick up very well on the camera. Water bottle. I've got plenty of water bottles, but I have got a thing about initial things at the moment, and rose gold. So this was just ideal for me. I didn't need it, but I wanted it, so I bought it. Another one of my viewers the other day was laughing at me making a comment like that, but yeah, quite often in life I don't need it, but I want it. And I knew if I went back again, which I did a few days later, no more bees. So I grabbed that one for me, £1.99. Absolute bargain from Home Bargains. Next up, a selection of cards. Home Bargains cards. You can't beat them for the price. Absolutely incredible. So I bought, this is going to shine on you, isn't it? So I bought, I'll do it like that so you can see. 2 just to say blank cards, 29p. These were nice, absolutely beautiful. Make a Wish, 69. Special Friend, 39. Just to Say, 69. This is like a new range they've got in there actually. These are really nice. A little bit more expensive at 69p. But yeah, they got like gold envelopes as well. So I thought that was quite good for a man. There's another one for a man there, and another one again. Same as what I've just shown you. Got quite a few duplicates. If I find one I like, I tend to duplicate it. Sparkle on Your Birthday, 59p. And then finally, I got some gift wrap as well, 49p. Lovely this is, very girly. You get 2 sheets, 2 tags. Very nice indeed. Of course, if I spot some false nails, I'll grab some. I've actually had these on. If I can find a picture, I'll pop it in now. So they're just really nice, sort of a natural, well, they're not natural either because they look fake, but, you know, sort of a nudie colour, should I say. I love the Elegant Touch nails, and then those there are sort of a, not quite red, very sort of, what would you call that? No, it is. It's like a corally pinky red, if you can get what I mean. But it's got little roses on a couple of them, which I probably won't wear those. I'm hoping that there'll be a couple of others within the pack that fit my fingers because, yeah, not too keen on that. £2.99 per set. Box of tissues. If you use tissues, these are brilliant. They're like extra size, man size ones. They're only 69p. Really, really like these as tissues go. They're very, yeah, they're decent quality. Love lip balms. Wear lip balms all the time. I've had a couple of these before. In fact, not a couple, I've had one. This is the W7 Lip Balm. Really like this. It's in sort of, it says raspberry. It's not raspberry coloured, it's just clear. But yeah, I suppose it's got a bit of a raspberry scent. So I bought 2 of these. One of these is going to go in a giveaway and one I've kept for at work, £1.99. And then this one, I've not seen these before. EOS, Evolution of Smooth. Sunset to Sunrise. Tinted sheer lip balm. Another one for £1.99. And these were all sort of slightly tinted. So I went for the sort of a peachy colour. I think they had peach, they had a reddy colour and quite a bright pink. I'll get this out and we'll have a look. Right, so nice little packaging. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. Oh! Looks a bit like the end of something. Right, yeah, not sure if I want to put that on my mouth. Right, I've just took that gloss off. Let's see what happens with this. It's actually quite nice. It smells a bit like, if you're sort of my age, you might remember strawberry shortcakes, the little dolls. It's got that sort of scent about it. There is some colour because I've just put it all over my mouth. It's actually quite nice, actually. For £1.99, I think that would make quite a nice present. You know, with a little bit of a beauty pamper hamper sort of thing. Yeah, I like that. Right, stuck a bit more gloss back on. Next thing for camping, marshmallows. I've got some wooden skewers packed and a packet of these. Absolutely love them. I did actually buy 2 packets, so I'm going to eat one now. 79p each. Absolutely delicious. Toasted marshmallows. Yummy, yummy. Pink and white. Ooh. Right, next on to air fresheners. I've done these before. These go in the Airwick sort of puffy machine that we've got. Love this scent. Really like this one. This is Linen in the Air. And it's green apple, crisp linen. And this always makes me laugh. Fresh air. I think these have gone up in price a bit. I can't find them on the receipt. They're either $4.99 or $5.99, which is quite pricey really, isn't it? I don't know whether you find this, but everybody's into air fresheners at the moment, or scents to make the house smell nice. And I think they've stuck the prices up on everything, this included. So another of the same scent from Airwick. This time it's like a reed diffuser. Really like these, and I like these in the bathroom. And they have little glass balls in the bottom. What I usually do with this, I decant it into, I've got a nicer looking sort of reed diffuser. It's from the White Company actually, and then I just refill it up with something else. But again, I love this fragrance. £2.99. I bought a couple of these. This is my favourite scent from Home Bargains wise. I like the other one Airwick wise, but actual Home Bargains. Wickford & Co. They do a lot of candles and reed diffusers, all sorts. So my favourite is the Pink Rhubarb and Pear. But I don't think that they're making them the same as they used to. The scent is there, but it's not as strong, and no way does it last very long. I've bought a couple of these, like I said. One of these I've got at work at the moment, and you cannot even smell it. In the office, when I go in, you can't even smell it at all. So, really annoyed with that. But they're only 89p, but nevertheless, you should at least get a bit of a scent out of them. I love to have a salad of an evening with my meal, whatever I'm having. And then on it, I like to put some seeds. So I always get mine from Home Bargains because they're really good value. So I've got a packet of sunflower seeds, 69p. Packet of pumpkin seeds. These are always a bit more expensive, 79p. And then for 99p, I got this one. Not seen it before. It's a 4-seed mix. And it says to add to porridge or salads. Let's see what it's got in it. So it's got pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, golden linseed and sesame seeds. So yeah, nice way of getting a bit more nutrients in your diet. But just be mindful, they're not high calories, but you just need to be mindful that they have got quite a few calories in them. Walnuts especially, more the nuts are more calorific than the seeds, and I used to like putting the little walnuts on, but when I read how many calories there were, they've now been eradicated. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying that tonight, in fact. This is just very random here. I'm not going in any sort of order, am I? Love these. I've had this one before. This is the honey and almond foot pack. And here I've got an argan oil one as well. I've not tried that. They're 99p each. Great to just stick on your feet if your feet are feeling a bit tired or you've got a bit of hard skin. Stick them on your feet for about 20 minutes, take them off, and they feel lovely and soft. A bit more for camping. I'm going to do a video on it. I'm going to do like a packing video so you can see what I'm taking. It's absolutely ridiculous the amount of stuff I've got for one night camping, but I am then going on to stay at my parents' house for a few days, so I do need some extra stuff. But camping, you have to prepare, don't you, for everything. So I've got here a load of wipes. My brother's going fishing, I think I mentioned earlier, so I used to do a lot of fishing actually, so I may well get a bit involved, and I don't like getting all the stuff on my hands, so I'm taking a pack of these. Baby wipes, sensitive, not had these before, 69p, they're a really good price, and you get 64 in there, so they're coming camping. As are these flushable wipes. Not tried these before. I normally favour the Tesco ones, which are quite a lot more expensive, but because I'm taking these with me, like to be cleaning that sort of area. I don't know what the toilet situation is going to be like. So the pod means it's basically camping as normal, but just not a tent. So you need everything else. So there's no toilet or shower actually in the pod. I think I've got a bit of power, a light and a heater, but nothing else. I've got to take everything else. So yeah, don't know what the toilet situation will be, and need to be nice and fresh. So these are 60 wipes. These are actually out the children's bit, you know, where all the baby stuff is. Yeah, they're only 59p, so they were great value. And then I've had these before. These are really handy just to have. I have a pack of these in most of my little handbags and stuff. They're not actually antibacterial, but they're just all-purpose cleansing wipes, and you get 10 in each one. Yeah, for 99p, they're very handy. Now, I haven't bought any of this for a long time because I went crazy and bought so much, either last year or the year before, so I'm still getting through it. This, if you've never used it, is absolutely fabulous stuff. It's the Pure BB Cream all-in-one blemish bar. So if you don't like wearing a heavy foundation, or in the summer when you go a bit lighter coverage maybe, at the weekend, something for the weekend, sir. These, honestly, for £1.99, please try one. I've got the light colour and the medium. I've actually got some on today, only a very light covering of the medium I've got on. It is fabulous. My only thing I would say is just be careful what you put on before, skincare wise, because sometimes it can split. A little while back when I bought some of this, a few of my YouTube friends went out and tried some. Rachel from Enigma77 Reviews, her channel, if you like things a little bit more goth-like, she also does a lot of makeup bits. She's coming away from that a little bit. But certainly goth hauls, clothes, shoes. She does some fabulous makeup and some fabulous wigs. So certainly pop over and take a look at her channel. Anyway, she tried a bit of this and she put a certain sort of primer on her face before and it split. So I said to her, just stick with normal sort of moisturiser or a very, very light primer. Nothing too heavy. And try it again. And I think when she did that, she liked it. But I've not heard of anybody that doesn't like using this product. It's not thick enough for everybody, coverage-wise. It is quite a light coverage. But like I say, something for the weekends or you know, in the summer. Fabulous stuff. A couple of bags of Tang Fastics. These are my favourite sweets at the moment. 99p a pack. Grab myself some vitamins. They don't always have this one in, so I do like to get these when I see it. It's the hair, skin and nails, 40 in there, one a day. And then calcium and vitamin D. This is for sort of like bone health, bone and joints. And because I do a lot of exercise and training, I take a supplement just to make sure my knees are okay. These are a little bit more pricey. These are £1.49 and then those were 99p. They've got some of my favourite foam burst in. This is the Raspberry Flamingo. Absolutely love this scent. £1.99. They only had a few, so I think I bought about 3. And then this was a new one that I'd not seen before. It says Being by Sanctuary Spa, but I don't know if it's the same Sanctuary stuff that's in Boots. Anyway, I used one of them this morning, had a go, smelled really nice. This is Cloudberry and Lychee Blossom. And these were only £1.49 and they're the same sort of foaming moussey ones. They only had 3, so I bought 2 and just left one for somebody else. Use this all the time now as a face wash. It's the Tea Tree Foaming Face Wash, 99p. I know a couple of you have tried this now on my recommendation. I love it when I hear people trying stuff that I've recommended. It really, yeah, really like it. So if you've not tried it, it's really good for 99p. It doesn't, my skin's quite sensitive and it doesn't set it off. It's just a very nice, gentle cleanser. So perfect for everyday use. A couple of packets of the Coca chicken noodles. Again, if you've not tried these and you like stuff like this, mwah, they are absolutely delicious. Really, really nice. I've got quite a few people on these as well, including some of my family. 30p a packet, 5 of those. A couple of packs of these, 19p each. Love these again for in my handbag. They're just little pocket tissues. Really cute with sort of the coloured polka dots on them. And then finally, just a few more camping items. A packet of plastic cutlery, gone for the nice posh stuff in silver, and you get 24 pieces in there. Knives, forks and spoons, 99p. And because we're going to have some burgers and sausages, needed some sauce to go with them. I cannot eat a burger or a sausage, a hot dog, without some tomato ketchup. These are really handy. They're like little sort of plastic jobbies, and they have tomato sauce and HP sauce. I think that's all they had. They didn't have any mayonnaise, I don't think. It was just these 2. 19p each, or if you bought 10 for £1. So yeah, got 10. 2 of those, 8 of those. And then finally, a couple of these. These are the instant barbecues. Absolutely brilliant. £1.50. I cannot believe how cheap these were. I've just been in the Co-op and there's a £2.50 at their own brand. So I've bought 2. I'm not sure how much barbecuing we're going to be doing because, of course, we'll have in Adam's fishing kit, he's got like a little gas thing that you can cook, I don't know, bacon and eggs on and that sort of stuff. So I thought I'd take a couple of these and hopefully we can throw a few shrimps on the barbie. That wasn't very Australian, was it? Barbie? Anyway, nice little barbecue. So that's that. Crikes, that was a lot. I did buy some of the food as well. I bought some chocolate and bread and all sorts, but that's a bit boring to talk about. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed that haul. Let me know if you're going to try any of those bits that I've just recommended or if you've tried them before. I really do, like I've just said, I really do like hearing about that. It's lovely. So if you've enjoyed that and you're not already a subscriber, please hit the button down below. It's free to do, very easy, and maybe give me a like. No dislikes, please, on this channel. Do you know what? I watched a video the other day. Elle Darby, her name is. She's lovely, and she got engaged, and it was an absolutely beautiful video. And there were some thumbs down. How on earth can you put thumbs down at someone getting engaged? Just jealousy. It's got to be. Absolutely ridiculous and quite pathetic, actually. Anyway, on that note, I shall leave you until my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.